packaging your order. Doogie, the Santa hat wearing pug ornament edition. So we've got Doogie, we've got zero waste packaging with a compostable envelope, invoice. Every order comes with a sticker and a thank you sticker. I think that's everything. That's everything. Let's get this order done. With every order that I do that's not a gift, I make sure. Oh, they ordered a Bindy. Well, I gotta go get a Bindy, and I have a Bindy available. One moment. Bindy the Brindle, Bindy the Brindle Pug edition. So on every order that is not a gift, it will show me which pug. Now, most of the time I will sell Doogies. Doogie is the most popular one, the tan fawn pug. But this customer here ordered a Bindy, which is the Brindle. Now, fun fact, Bindy, well, Doogie's a real pug too. Bindy was a real pug as well. She was a fawn pug, but since we already have Doogie, Bindy got to be a Brindle. I never had a Brindle pug before. So, Bindy the Brindle. So, that's Bindy. We'll get Doogie out of here. So, when I mark an order off, I always mark off the pug. I also mark off the customer. I will look at the address, the labels on the back of this. I'll mark them off to make sure they match. And then what I like to do as well is I will make a thank you note on every single one. And then I will highlight both, of course, this is double checking, Bindy with the Brindle with a hat. So, Bindy, Brindle, hat. And then at the bottom here, just as a little added, hey, looky here. Always do the coupon code as well. Just, you never know. I do get customers using that quite a bit. So they'll come back and order more ornaments. Maybe they want a different color, custom orders, things like that. So I go ahead and make sure they see that because I do have people messaging me about coupons, which is fine. So all of this will get put into the order and we'll do that right now. Since I use a 4x8, which is pretty small, I fold our invoice up into thirds. We got Bindy, make sure she's there. Each order comes with a sticker. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and put the sticker on top, everything onto the invoice. And again, this does have the address label already on there. Of course, I'm keeping that on the other side for privacy. We'll slide her in there like that. Everything goes in the middle. Okay, and then we just flatten it out. It will always do this with these little ornaments, but it protects them really well. I've never had an issue with them arriving damaged or anything. So we're just going to fold that up. And then, of course, thank you for supporting the small business. And Bindy, the Brindle Pug, is ready to be shipped out.